Casement Windows Knoxville is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. With a variety of casement window styles available, including vinyl casement windows, wood casement windows, and aluminum casement windows, residents can find the perfect fit for their homes. Casement window contractors in Knoxville, Tennessee, offer expert services to ensure a seamless installation process. Energy-efficient casement windows Knoxville are designed to reduce energy costs and improve indoor comfort. Double-glazed casement windows Knoxville are particularly effective in minimizing heat transfer, making them an excellent choice for those looking to upgrade their windows. Casement window suppliers in Knoxville provide a wide range of options to meet the needs of every homeowner. Custom casement windows Knoxville offer a personalized touch to any home, allowing for unique designs and features. Casement window design Knoxville experts can help create bespoke solutions that match the architectural style of your property. Whether you prefer traditional wood casement windows or modern aluminum casement windows, custom options are available to suit your preferences. Casement window replacement Knoxville services are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. From casement window locks Knoxville to casement window hinges Knoxville, professional replacement services ensure that all components are in top condition. Regular casement window maintenance Knoxville can prevent costly replacements and extend the lifespan of your windows. Affordable casement windows Knoxville are available for budget-conscious homeowners who still want quality and style. Casement window options Knoxville include a range of price points, ensuring that everyone can find a solution that fits their budget. Casement window features Knoxville, such as energy efficiency and durability, make them a smart investment for any home. Casement window replacement Knoxville is a straightforward process with the help of experienced casement window contractors Knoxville. Whether you're replacing old windows or upgrading to more energy-efficient models, professional installation ensures optimal performance. Casement window upgrades Knoxville can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal and value. Casement window hardware Knoxville is an important consideration for both functionality and security. High-quality casement window locks Knoxville and casement window screens Knoxville provide peace of mind and protection against intruders. Casement window Knoxville parts are readily available for replacements, ensuring your windows remain in excellent condition. Casement Window Solutions Knoxville offer a comprehensive approach to window installation and maintenance. From initial consultation to final installation, casement window experts Knoxville provide guidance and support throughout the process. Casement window styles Knoxville range from classic to contemporary, allowing homeowners to choose the perfect look for their property.